Hello children, today we are going to discuss about spherical mirrors. Okay, all the mirrors are not straight like plain mirror. Even the polished and smooth curved surfaces can act as mirror. Like I had shown you in the class, these two are curved surfaces. Okay, these two mirrors, they are having curved surfaces when you are going to touch it. Okay. Such mirrors are called curved mirrors. These mirrors are called curved mirrors. Such mirrors are called, as I told you, curved mirrors or spherical mirrors. A spherical mirror is that mirror whose smooth and polished reflecting surface is curved surface. Okay, they are of two types. Curved mirrors are of two types. One is concave mirror, other is convex mirror. Now I am going to tell you about concave first. What is concave mirror? A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards. Okay, this is its reflecting surface and this is polished. As I told you in the class, in the plain mirror, it is polished at the back side by silver. Okay, same way this mirror is what? Concave mirror. When you touch it, you will find depression is there. Not too much like this, but you can find the depression is there. Okay, and this is reflecting surface and this is polished surface. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards is called concave mirror. In this kind of mirror, the reflection of light takes place at concave surface, bent, जो अंदर की तरफ है, bent in surface of the mirror. Okay, so this is the polished side. Silver coating is there, as I told you in the class. Silver coating is there, and this is reflecting surface. Reflecting side, and this is polished side. Other type of mirror is what? This is what? Convex. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward. Reflecting surface is curved outward like this. This is reflecting surface and this is polished. When you are going to touch it, you can feel it. You can feel it. From the back side, you can feel it, and this side you can see the depression is there, but other side bulging is there. Okay, so this is what? Convex mirror. So these two mirrors are clear. Now we are going to discuss the terms related to spherical mirrors. Okay, one by one we will see the terms. I am drawing it first. Terms related to spherical mirrors. Now first term is center of curvature. Children, when we see that, it seems that they are the part of the hollow glass circle. We have taken this hollow sphere, okay, and we are going to cut it from the center. This is what? Center. Okay, so this part we have painted from the back side. Okay, and this we have painted inner side. So what happened? This is concave and this is convex and their center is this. इसका भी center ये and the center of this is this. Okay, now we are going to discuss the terms. First term is center of curvature. Center of curvature. Because this is not given in the book, that is why I am telling you. The center of the sphere, okay, just now I have shown you, like I am drawing small, okay, of both the mirrors. This is convex and this is concave. And this line is called principal axis. The line which is passing from the center of this is called principal axis. Okay. Second is what? Principal axis. Principal axis. What is principal axis? The imaginary line. This is imaginary line passing through the center of curvature. This is what? Center of curvature. Not this. This is the middle part of the this point is what? Center of curvature. Okay, because as I told you, this is what? Circle. The center. This is what? Center of curvature. This point is what? Center of curvature. Okay. So the imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and the pole. This point is called pole. This point is called pole. This point is called pole. Okay. The imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and the pole of a spherical mirror is called principal axis. So suppose this is P and Q. This is what? Principal axis. Okay. Now next is pole. Acha, center of curvature is clear. The center of the sphere is what? Center of curvature. Now next is pole. The center of the reflecting surface. ये reflecting surface है. This is reflecting surface means mirror. The center of the mirror is called pole. Is this clear? The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called pole and we represent it with the capital P. We represent it with the capital P. These are very important when you are going to draw the ray diagrams. Okay. Now what is principal focus? Fourth is what? Principal focus. Principal focus. We write it with the capital F. Children, this is half of the distance between pole and center of curvature. The principal focus of a spherical mirror is the point on the principal axis. ये principal axis है, at which parallel rays of light after getting reflected by mirror meet or appear to meet. क्या है कि like I am drawing it here, like just you see this is concave mirror and I am going to draw this principal axis. Now parallel rays of light which are falling on this reflecting surface. Okay, these parallel rays, they are falling on which? Reflecting surface. This is mirror. Okay, after striking, what will happen? They meet at certain point. All day after reflection, they will meet at certain point. This point is called principal focus. and this principal focus is here somewhere. Okay, is this clear? And in this is concave mirror and focus in convex. Focus in convex, how it takes place? Like the rays are coming, I am erasing it. This is convex. This is what? Principal axis, pole, center of curvature. Now the rays which are falling it, okay, falling on the reflecting surface. And after falling, what happened? This is called converging mirror. This is called diverging. Why diverging? These rays, they diverge. In that they were converging. I'm going to tell you again. But these rays, it seems they are coming from the back side. Okay, they are coming from the back side. Okay, so this is focus, principal focus, back of the mirror. Is this clear? And in this is called diverging mirror. क्योंकि ये diverge कर रहा है rays को, it is diverging. That is why it is called diverging mirror. Diverging mirror. And here I am erasing it. You see what happened? This is principal axis. The rays which are coming in the falling on the concave mirror. What happened? After reflecting, they converge. Converge means अंदर की तरफ जा रही है. Okay? They are converging. So this is called converging mirror. Converging mirror. We can get the focus here in concave mirror and in convex back side of the mirror. Focus is at the back side. Clear these two things? Now focal length. Next is fifth one is focal length. What is focal length? The length between focus and pole. Pole and focus is called focal length. This is, I am writing here, this is concave mirror. Concave mirror. This is convex. Is this clear, children? And I will explain you this thing in the class also. Fine? Okay, thank you.